Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mixed Thandai. This refreshing drink is perfect for any occasion. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need about 1/4 cup of almonds, 2 tablespoons of cashews, and 1 tablespoon each of poppy seeds and fennel seeds. Don't forget a few green cardamom pods, about 5 to 6, and a pinch of black peppercorns. We'll also use sugar, whole milk, and a touch of saffron. Now, let's prepare our Thandai paste. Begin by soaking all your nuts and spices in about 1 cup of water. Let them soak for a minimum of 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This step is crucial for softening them. Once soaked, drain the water and carefully peel the almonds. Then, transfer all the soaked ingredients to a blender, adding just a splash of milk, and blend until you achieve a very fine, smooth paste. With our paste ready, it's time to mix the Thandai. In a large pitcher, combine the smooth Thandai paste with 4 cups of chilled whole milk. Next, add your sugar. A good starting point is about 1/2 cup of sugar, but feel free to adjust this to your personal taste. Stir the mixture vigorously for several minutes, ensuring that the sugar fully dissolves and the paste is evenly distributed throughout the milk. This creates a consistent flavor. Finally, for the best Thandai experience, chilling is key. Place your prepared Thandai mixture in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures it's perfectly refreshing. Before serving, strain the Thandai through a fine mesh sieve to remove any remaining small particles, giving you a wonderfully smooth drink. Pour into glasses, garnish with a few chopped nuts or a sprinkle of saffron, and enjoy your homemade Thandai.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.